What's up, YouTube? Got Milk Money here. I am about to change a couple things because I was at the track last Friday. I did about 4 test and tune pulls, and my belt kind of started shredding, and it took out the wiring on the Magier water pump, which pulled it out completely of the water pump. So I had to order a new front cover. I'm going to swap that out. I'm going to swap the belt out, and I'm just going to record this, I guess, document it. I never really get to do this stuff, but we'll see if you guys like it. Comment, share, subscribe, make sure you get all that. I had to take the 4Gs off because there was I got a little bend in one of them, and it's not holding the air right there. Sucks because I wanted to do some testing on these too, but gotta wait on 4G to send me some new barrels probably, or go get it fixed. We'll see. Here's the belt. That thing shredded. Not sure why, but these Gates belts do not hold up whatsoever. This part right here probably slapped up and hit the water pump. The water pump wiring is underneath, like right here, so it probably slapped up and grabbed it. And I have the wiring ran up this way over here and down to the fan, and as you see, the plug is down here, which it's still in one piece. So I'll basically just have to replace that front part and replace the belt with one that I have for now that's in a lot better condition, but I'm waiting on my new one from Daco because I will never run these Gates belts again. I'll keep one as a backup that I have at home that's in a lot better shape than this one, but they just shred. I don't know, man, they just can't handle it or what, but stay tuned. That new front cover is shiny. So then as you see, the wiring is just under here. They must have just snapped that, grabbed that wire and pulled it out. That thing looks good. I like it. There is these little tabs here. You have to, once you get it on, you have to pull them out, each one by one, once it's set on there, so the brush is in there, set in on the pump. Yeah, that thing is bad. Look at that. Tore up. Could be from tension, but there is no real guideline on where this tensioner is supposed to be. And yep, he pulled the wires straight off of it right there. So I'll probably save this and add some new wire and save this as a backup. Here's the side-by-side. This one just says made in California. This says made in USA and it's outlined. This one looks a lot better. I like the made in USA. American car deserves American parts. As I was about to start bending these, I think they just spin up. When you get it on, you just pull it out. They come out. I don't want to pull it out now, but you get the idea. Because the magnets in there are held in by springs, so you don't want them to pop out. It has to sit on the brush there. there's that. Got that all on. Just need to zip tie that wire back up there. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. But I am going to keep these and put some wires back on that other one for future, just in case I have a backup. So I get this. All right, well, that part's done, so what I'm gonna do is grab the keys, go in here, turn it over. I'd say that fixed the problem. Went from 180 to 160, which means the thermostat open and the fluid is flowing. So, looks like we'll be hitting the track again on Friday. I'm gonna empty this catch can. I might do an oil change again, just because this motor is a fresh, quote unquote fresh 6.0. It's just been ran through and all new bearings and everything's been hot tanked. Fresh BTR custom spec cam. I haven't put my Frankenstein heads back on because BTR just got done putting all new valve guides in them with their new valve guides that they offer. Go check them out, way better than the bronze ones. They're like powdered metal something. I can't remember exactly. I'll have to check them out. But just put their new wires on here, which are super sweet. They look real good. As you see, got the BTR labeled on them. Super nice, super good material, and no misfires or anything like that. Everything's looking good. Just have to make a couple adjustments, get back on the track, test for this ice cream cruise coming up. And yeah, I'll get back with you on the next one. That was a quick one, but if you want me to keep making these videos, just like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you think I should change anything or what I should do to the car next. Gonna be hitting some racing this weekend, but just for some test and tune stuff. And then I'm not sure on the next event for sure, but I know for sure Ice Cream Cruise is coming up at the end of September. So if you want to see me go down the track there, come see me. I'm probably gonna be doing the big wheel class if I can get these barrels fixed. And then I'm for sure doing a bracket racing class. So come check me out, and until the next one.